2 minutes.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. It's important that we focus attention on the substance of the debate on health care. Some think just calling health care reform, repealing health care reform, Obamacare, or calling it a job killer when it will actually create jobs, or even calling it government takeover when it doesn't even include a public option, constitutes discussion. But we need to talk about what's actually in the bill and what's actually going to be repealed, because we need to talk about what's going to happen to those under 26 that are now able to stay on their parents' policies. Repeal will kick them off of those policies. We need to talk about what's going to happen to those with pre-existing conditions. We need to talk about what's happening to those who can now get checkups and annual checkups and preventive care with no copays and deductibles. We need to talk about the fact that we're digging senior citizens out of the donut hole, and repeal will keep them in the donut hole. Insurance reform, no rescissions, no cutting off somebody in the middle, cutting off insurance in the middle of a treatment. We need to talk about what we're doing for unreasonable increases. That's what you're going to be repealing if you repeal health care reform. Affordability. All Americans under health care reform in 2014 will be able to afford health care. We'll be giving tax credits to businesses to encourage them to provide health care. This bill will create jobs. You'll be destroying jobs. And you say nothing about the deficits. The CBO has already calculated that you will significantly increase the deficit if this bill passes. Mr. Speaker, health care reform is a matter of life and death. If Republicans want to repeal health care, they ought to be clear and tell the public what will actually happen to young adults, those with pre-existing conditions, seniors, what's going to happen to the donut hole or insurance abuses, or the future of affordability of health care. We should not just be resorting to labels and slogans. We have to be clear of what we're doing to the public. Yield back the balance of my time.
Gentleman yields back.